Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to walk through how to use tick charts on MT4 and MT5 step by step. Okay, so tick charts are different from the usual candlestick or bar charts that most traders are, familiar with. Right, this is the bar chart, this is the candlestick, this is the line chart. Okay, instead of forming a candle based on time, tick charts form a candle every time a certain number of trades occur. So let us start with the basics. On a traditional chart, a 5-minute candlestick represents all the price movements within those 5 minutes, right? But with tick charts, time does not matter. What matters is how many trades take place. Okay, for example, if you set your tick chart to 100 ticks, then a new candle will form every time 100 trades have been executed, no matter how fast or slow the market is moving. So this means that in very active markets, you will see candles forming quickly, while in quieter markets, candles form more slowly. The advantage is that tick charts often provide a clearer picture of price action and reduce the noise that comes with time-based charts. Okay, many traders use them for scalping or short-term analysis, because they reveal small shifts in order flow. So now, how do you use tick charts on MT4 and MT5? Well, these platforms don't come with built-in tick charts, so you will need to use a tick chart indicator or software. So let us just go through the setup. We're going to download a reliable tick chart indicator. Okay, that's the first step. All right, you have to download a reliable tick chart indicator that works with your MT5 or MT4 platform. All right, so these are widely available online. All right, so we're just going to download it real quick and we're going to add it to our indicators folder, and of course I'm going to show you how to make use of the indicator. Okay, so yeah, the MT4 and the MT5 versions are both available. So let's just okay, this is for MT5. So we're just going to copy this. All right, and we are going to go to our data folder. Okay, and we are going to go to MQL5 and indicators, and then examples, and we're going to paste it in here. Tick on chart MT5. Okay, so now we are back here. We're going to go to our navigator, and then we are going to have to, let's just close this up. Right, so we're going to have to refresh. Okay, and you can see we're going to add this to the chart. All right, so now you can see these are the properties, inputs, this, colors, levels, scale, and all of that. Okay, so once you have successfully added the indicator to your chart, you can decide to restart your terminal, or you just go and refresh it from the navigator. Okay, all right, what is wrong with this indicator now? Okay, So you need to consider your tick settings. All right, smaller tick size like 50 ticks will show more detail and very fast movement, while a larger tick size like 500 ticks will smooth out the chart and show more significant shifts. So once you select a tick size that matches your strategy, and of course, you should test different options until you find what works best. Then you need to analyze your tick chart. You'll notice that trends and reversals often appear much clearer compared to time-based charts, right? um, Quick bursts of volatility might be easier to spot, and you often see setups earlier than you would on a regular time frame. Of course, there are some common mistakes traders make when using tick charts, right? One mistake is choosing a tick size that's too small, which can create excessive noise. Another mistake is ignoring the need to refresh or keep the indicator running properly. Tick charts need live market activity to build correctly. Okay. So always make sure that your charts are updating and displaying accurately. The key advantage of tick charts on MT4 and MT5 is precision. Okay, because they allow you to see the flow of trades without being restricted by time, which can give you a deeper understanding of short-term market dynamics. All right. So just a very quick recap, you need to install a tick chart indicator, um, download it from a legitimate source and add it to your indicators library. Restart your terminal or refresh the navigator and add the indicator to your chart. Set your tick size, open the offline tick chart, then use it to analyze price movements more effectively. Now, by following these steps, you'll be able to make the most out of tick charts on both MT4 and MT5. If this tutorial has helped you understand how to use tick charts on MT4 and MT5, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more trading insights. That way you'll be always updated with clear and practical trading guides. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.